Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by collecting the essentials. Excel 2016 or later, clean source rows and clear headers. Once done, convert that raw range into an Excel table so formulas auto-expand and your charts stay current. Next, define 3 to 5 key metrics, cost, percent complete, and ETA, and put them on a dedicated metrics sheet. Make simple SUM and average formulas first. These give you reliable numbers to reference. This first action gets you out of setup mode and into building measurable components fast. Now you layer analytics. Insert pivot tables to summarize tasks by owner, status, and dates, and set them to refresh on open. Then add charts, a progress line, burn-down bar, and a simple gauge to visualize trends. Use slicers and a timeline to make filters immediate. They let you slice by owner or sprint without rebuilding views. For calculated, single-cell KPIs, use sumifs and index/match with helper columns where needed. These steps turn raw tables into interactive, drillable insights that stay responsive as data changes. Finish by arranging the dashboard for quick reading. Place filters on the left, visuals in the center, and detailed tables on the right, then apply consistent color coding and fonts. After layout, lock input cells and protect the sheet to prevent accidental changes and save both an XLSX and a template, XLTX for repeat projects. Share via OneDrive or export PDF. If something breaks, test with sample updates and then check table names, formula references, and whether pivot tables are set to refresh on open.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.